Good morning to all present here. Today I, Dipanshi Mahajan, is here for the financial management presentation on the topic process of financial management and types of decision. What is financial management? Basically, in any organization or in any enterprise, financial management is very important. Financial management is, in simple words, is the management of the finance available in the enterprise. Okay, so financial management is a total process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the financial activities. What type of financial activities? Such as procurement and utilization of funds of the enterprise. Basically, it means the applying of general management principles to financial resources of the enterprise. That's it. This is what financial management is. What is the process of financial management? Okay. In any organization, management of finance is very difficult. So, process of financial management is a long process. It comprises of determining the company's objectives. What are the objectives of the company that the company wants to achieve? Then, according to the objectives, what is the need of money? So the next step is determining the money needed to accomplish the objectives. Next is to check whether needs exceed revenues. If needs exceeds revenues, then we have to invest more funds to fulfill the company's objectives. Okay. If needs, or we have another option. What is the option? If needs exceed revenues, then can we reduce our outflow in order to increase the revenue and decrease the expenses. Next is find if outflows cannot be reduced, then next step what we have is finding the source of funding, from where we can fund the money, or we can invest the money in the whole process of financial management. Okay. Next is, what if we find the source of funding? Next is, by the available sources we have, can objectives be achieved? If yes, the financial plan is working and firm is moving ahead. If no, we have to revise the plan according to company objective. That's it. This is the whole process of financial management. What is investment decision? Investment decision is nothing. It is basically a financial decision which is concerned with how the firm's funds are invested in different types of asset. That is known as investment decision. Investment decision can be of long term or short term. Thank you.
Investment decision. There are two types of investment decision: long-term investment decision and short-term investment decision. A long-term investment decision is called capital budgeting decision, which involve huge amounts of long-term investment and are irreversible except at huge cost. Second, short-term investment decisions are called working capital decision, which affect day-to-day working of a business. It includes the decision about the level of cash, inventory, and receivables. And factors affecting investment decision: first one is cash flow of business, second is rate of return, and third is investment criteria.
Decision: a financing decision which is considered with the amount of finance to be raised from various long-term source of funds like equity share, preference share, debenture, bank loans, etc. is called financial decision. In other words, it is a decision on the capital structure of the company. Capital structure: owners fund plus borrowed fund. Financial risk: the financial risk default on payment to periodic interest and replacement on capital on borrowed funds is called financial risk. Factors affecting financial decision: cost, risk, floating cost, cash flow, position of business, start of capital market.
My name is Sakshi Singh and I'm going to explain the meaning of dividend division. So it is a financial decision which is mainly concerned with the distribution of profit earned by the company, which we called as dividend, and they decided how much they wanted to retain as the for the future use, or what they wanted to distribute to the shareholders. The main objective behind the dividend decision is to maximize the shareholders' wealth and their interest in the company. So lot of factors affect the dividend decisions. Here are the list of the few ones, like earning. So the earning which the company has earned during their financial year affects the dividend, because on the basis of that they decide how much dividend they want to distribute to the shareholders. The next is stability of dividends, means all the companies have the some policy regarding their dividend distribution, like some like to give it every year, or some like or not on the every year, they just give it to some gap of the year. So that thing also affects the dividend decision. The growth prospect of the company is also have a major role in the dividend decision of, and the next is cash flow position, means if the company has the uh, proper cash flow in their company, so they can distribute that to the shareholders. The preference of shareholders means preference shareholder has the preference over the dividend, so they have to firstly distribute the dividend to the shareholder to the preference shareholders, and the rest one to the equity shareholders. So this thing also affect the dividend decision. And the last is taxation policy also affects it. Thank you.